It's already Friday, and Sawyer will take some broccoli with carrots. He's got quite a bit there. That's why he's got so much ranch. And he's got some cashews, 2 hard-boiled eggs with no yolk, 2 string cheeses, and a Reese Puff cereal bar, treat bar. And then he's got a banana for his snack. So this is his lunch. And then Cullen is taking spinach pancakes. I have these in the freezer already made, but you just use the pancake mix that you just add water to, but instead of adding water, you throw some fresh spinach in your food processor with water, puree that up, and it turns into basically just green water. Use that as your water for your pancakes, and you cannot taste the spinach in them, especially he puts peanut butter and syrup on his pancakes, so you cannot taste the spinach in them. When they were little, when I started doing it, we called them Spooky Goblin pancakes because it was right around Halloween when we started doing it. And they ate them. He got where he would only eat Spooky Goblin pancakes. But now he knows there's spinach in them. He actually helped make these. We make pumpkin ones and banana ones and spinach ones. So those are out of the freezer. I just put them in a freezer bag and pop them out when we need them. He's got his peanut butter. He's got some syrup. He's going to take a chocolate chip granola bar. Strawberries. He's got some orange slices and some fresh pineapple down there. It's a very sugary lunch. He's not into a whole lot of proteins. He will eat peanut butter and he will eat grilled chicken and things, but he's not going to eat bacon or sausage or nuts, any of that. So he's just got his peanut butter. And then for his snack, he's got some dried mango and a maple brown sugar crunchy bar. So that is for Friday, and we are all done this week. See you next week. The boxes. This is the Bent Go Kids box. This is the Bent Go Fresh box. It does hold quite a bit more. The Fresh does. So the Bent Go Kids and the Bent Go Fresh. For lunch today, Cullen has a leftover chicken breast on a sandwich with some ketchup. He's got a brownie that I made out of a box mix. We put a little sprinkles and chocolate chips on top, and then he's got some broccoli with ranch. His swim season is over, so he comes home now after school, so he does not have an after school snack. And then Sawyer has cashews, applesauce, a string cheese. There's a fruit leather down there. He's got some ranch for his broccoli. He does like a little more ranch than Cullen. And he's got a couple of Reese peanut butter cups, just small ones. And for his snack, he has some Bugles. They will both take water today. So not too exciting, just some leftovers and what we're throwing together. We're near the time to go grocery shopping, so I'm kind of using things up. It's Monday. We've got another week of school lunches. We're still on the folding table because we're almost done with our remodel, but we're still working on it. So today they are taking the little Red Baron pizzas, and I went ahead and cooked them this morning, and they will eat them cold. They're little individual pizzas, and my husband picked them up at the Dollar Tree. So they've got these little pizzas for their lunches. Stay out of there. They love pizza. And they've got broccoli with ranch for their vegetable. Cullen has a small little thing of ranch, but Sawyer does not like the little bitty containers. He says there's not enough in there and you can't get the broccoli down in there. So he has a little bigger thing of ranch. Cullen's got some strawberries. They're laughing this morning. And, Sawyer has a banana for his fruit. They've got their water bottles, and for their snack, they're going to have some animal crackers and a little fruit leather. I think they're the Target generic fruit leather brand. So that's their lunch for today. So some mini cheese pizzas, broccoli, fruit, and some fruit snacks and animal crackers. Pizza. You want pizza? But it's 7 o'clock in the morning, baby. So apparently everyone likes pizza. So we're going to go ahead and get these in the lunch boxes with their ice packs. Usually when I use the Ziploc containers, I go ahead and use their Planet Box bags, and it'll hold their drink and their snack in the front. So we go ahead and use those, and it's got plenty of room for the ice pack. So we will see you tomorrow for Tuesday's lunch. Got a busy morning here today for their lunches. They've got these Smart Right blueberry waffles. They've got 15 grams of protein, 210 calories, and they are gluten-free. We're not going for that. I just like that they had the protein. They're blueberry waffles. A serving is 2 waffles. They each have 1.5 because that's what fit. So they've got 1.5. I kind of cut them into sticks. Cullen has some peanut butter and some syrup. He likes to have that on his waffles, and he's got an apple. Sawyer's got syrup for his waffles, and then he's got some nuts for a little extra protein, and a cheese stick, and then he has an apple. And for his snack, he's got this cereal, which is the Kashi Berry Crumble. So I don't know if he'll like that, but we're going to give it a try. So they're going to take this today with their water. It doesn't look like a home bunch, but Cullen doesn't eat that much. He's a light eater for an 11-year-old, but he does have the protein here and the protein here, so, and the fiber to fill him up. And Sawyer's got extra protein with the nuts and the cheese and the waffles, so he's got lots of protein today. So they should be good. And that's all for today. Today is Wednesday. All right, here's today's lunch. They are taking these protein-packed blueberry lemon Kodiak cake muffins. I should have left them in the oven just a tiny bit longer, but they're fine. So they're going to take these muffins for their snack. I think it says there's 15 grams of protein in 2 muffins. So got their protein there. Whole grain. Cullen has a little spinach salad with some broccoli and a carrot and a little bit of ranch. Sawyer has the same, although he does have a string cheese and an applesauce in his as well. And then they've got their water to drink. And Sawyer is taking some Teddy Grahams for snack today. And then they've got their little fork to eat their salads and water to drink. So that is lunch for today. It is Thursday.